In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove Wix website. If you're wrapping up a project, cleaning up old drafts, or just ready to start fresh, I'll walk you through the exact path to remove a site from your Wix account in a clear, safe, and simple way. First, open your preferred web browser and head to wix.com/studio. Sign into your account using your usual login details. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is your home base where all your sites and tools live. If you manage multiple sites, take a moment to look over the list so you're absolutely sure you're working with the correct one. Next, click to open the website you want to remove. You'll see its dashboard with controls specific to that site. From here, look for settings. This is where Wix keeps most of the site level controls, including options for status and management. Click settings and then scroll down through the page. You're looking for the option that lets you remove or discard the site. Wix keeps this lower on the page to help prevent accidental deletions, so don't worry if you need to scroll a bit. When you see the option labeled Move to Trash, click it. Wix will show a confirmation prompt to make sure you want to proceed. Read the message carefully and then confirm the action. After you confirm, the site is moved to the trash and immediately disappears from your active sites list. This is a deliberate safeguard. You're not editing the site or hiding it. You're removing it from your active workspace so it won't appear alongside your current projects. To verify everything worked, return to your list of active sites and confirm the one you just removed is no longer there. If you had the site open in any tabs, refresh those pages to reflect the change. Keep in mind that removing a site like this is a strong action. Before you do it, it's wise to double check the site name, preview it if needed, and save any content you might want later, such as text, images, or design references. And that's it. You went to wix.com/studio, signed in, opened your dashboard, selected the correct site, navigated to settings, scrolled down, chose Move to Trash, and confirmed. Your website has now been removed from your active sites list, helping you keep your workspace neat and focused on what matters most. Thanks for watching, and take your time with each click to avoid removing the wrong